We also have sport bikes at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos, like this 2014 Yamaha FZ-09. Bike features a water-cooled 3-cylinder 850cc engine mated to a 6-speed transmission. This engine puts out 115 horsepower, 65 foot-pounds of torque, red lines at 11,000 RPMs. I guess RPM is appropriate, revolutions per minute. And it weighs under 450 pounds. Way too much bike for me personally, especially with the lack of adult supervision. This bike is available for a test ride or test flight, if you will, 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.